Tell me about this.
Like fraction.
Sir, it is
Unlike
like
fraction.
No, sir, it's unlike fraction. Unlike
Unlike
fraction.
Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here?
Unlike
No, sir.
fraction. No, sir.
Yeah. In the exam,
Sir, I can't see your screen.
who's that?
Sir, Naman.
Naman, it may be your network issue. Everyone is able to see. Change your position better from there.
Yes, sir, you can see. Screen. Sir, no one has.
Otherwise, you can join it again. Okay. Now, see, whenever they are same denominators, what I told you, same denominators, only compare the upper part, which is bigger between the two numbers. कौन सा number बड़ा है उसमें? 5. So you'll write 3 by 4, 5 by 4 will be bigger, 5 by 4. Clear? If I give you a number 7 by 8 and 9 by 7, 9 by 8, which number is bigger? So you need
The 9 is bigger.
you need to see first denominator is same or not. So it is like fraction. When you compare it directly, it is 7 by 9. The final answer will be written like this: 7 by 8 is smaller than 9 by 8. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Should I move to the next topic?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
you need to go on to the unlike fractions. Now see, this is unlike fraction. Okay. Now, are the denominators same or different?
The different.
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 What's the LCM? What is the LCM between the two numbers?
9.
9.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. What you need to do, you need to write the two numbers like this, 3 into 3 and 8 into 9 like this. This is the step number 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second step. LCM.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I talked to you after class yesterday,
Yeah.
Samiksha.
Hmm.
No, sir. Yesterday's recording could not be uploaded.
Okay. Naman. Acha, Samiksha.
Sir, will you, yes, sir. Sir, will you upload today's recording?
Yeah. Listen to me carefully. मैंने एनटैप पे इसके पहले यूट्यूब की एक वीडियो लिंक भेजा था. मिली आपको सबको? मिली कि नहीं मिली मुझे बताओ पहले.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. मिली थी वो recording की.
Yeah. Go to my YouTube channel, click on the same link, you'll get the number of means जो भी हम लोगों की क्लासेस होती है वो डायरेक्ट यूट्यूब पे अपलोड हो जाएगी अभी. क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
नमन.
सर, आप 7C वाले पे डाल सकते हो, मुझे नहीं मिलेगा.
7th C वालों को.
Sir, you can make a maths group and put the recordings in that.
Okay, I'll put it there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, सबसे पहले स्टेप नंबर 1 आपको ये लिखना है. ये क्लियर हुआ क्या? फर्स्ट स्टेप मुझे बताओ.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सेकंड स्टेप में क्या करना है? आपका एलसीएम कितना है दो नंबर्स का?
The 9.
9. पुट इट देयर इन द डिनोमिनेटर. मैं 3 में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं जो मुझे डिनोमिनेटर 9 आ जाएगा?
Sir, 3.
3. सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई इट ऑन द टॉप आल्सो. सो ऊपर कितना होगा? 3 3 9. एनी डाउट टिल हियर?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
नाउ गो डाउन.
No, sir.
मुझे 9 कब मिलेगा? 9 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करने से 9 मिलेगा?
1.
मिलेगा ही नहीं 9.
7.
1. 9 1 जा 9. सो ऊपर में भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो इट विल बी 8 into 1.
8 by
8 by
8 by 9. 1 by 9.
8 by 9. Sorry, 8 by 9 it is.
8 by 9.
Now tell me, अब देखो 9 by 9 and 8 by 9 आ गया. क्या डिनोमिनेटर सेम हुए क्या दोनों के?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
अब मुझे
sir.
बताओ बड़ा कौन है छोटा कौन है?
9 by 9 is bigger than 8
9
by
by
9.
9 is bigger and 8 by
9
9
by 9 is bigger than 8 by 9.
smaller.
Very good. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Okay. I'm giving you one question. Okay. Are they like fraction or unlike fraction?
Sir, unlike fraction.
Sir, they are unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction.
तो
Sir,
unlike
unlike.
fraction में step 1
Sir,
क्या
unlike.
करना पड़ेगा? पहले डिनोमिनेटर्स में नंबर जो है उनका क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्या निकालना पड़ता है डिनोमिनेटर्स का?
Sir, LCM.
LCM. Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple.
What is the common multiple between them?
Sir, 6.
6.
Sir, 6.
Step number 2. Step number 2. इन दोनों को लिखो 7/6 and 3/2. लिख लिया आपने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डिनोमिनेटर क्या आएगा? कॉमन 6 आना चाहिए दोनों का. Okay.
Sir, 1/6.
सबसे
Sir, 7 and 6 का 1/6 आएगा. 7/6 है.
ये 1. This will be 7/6 and नीचे वाला कितना होगा?
7/6.
यहाँ
Sir,
पे
2. Sir, 2/6.
3.
Sir, 2/6. Sir, 2/6.
कहाँ पे 2/6 आएगा बेटा?
Five we put there 3.
See, you tell me. यहाँ पे 6 है, मुझे चाहिए एलसीएम में 2 में कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ मुझे 6 आ जाए?
3.
3. सेम नंबर आपको ऊपर भी रखना है, सेम नंबर. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me about
Yes, sir.
4/5 and 5/8. Step number 1.
Sir, they are unlike fraction.
Sir, they are unlike
Like.
fraction.
Tell me the LCM.
Sir,
Sir, 8.
sir 8.
No.
Sir 4.
No.
40.
LCM is 40. Good. Now after that 4 into 5 को लिखो and 5 into 8 को लिखो. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है 5 को ताकि मुझे 80 आए?
8.
By 8.
Same number on the upper side also. So कितना होगा? 4 8 32. Similarly this side also.
Five by 8.
Which number is bigger?
Sir, 32/40 is bigger than 25/40.
Any doubt till here beta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Did you solve this first part?
Yes, sir.
Second question. Now जब भी अरेंजिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर आते हैं, जब भी अरेंजिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर आते हैं, स्टेप नंबर 1, टेक आउट द एलसीएम फर्स्ट. Tell me the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. You know how to take out LCM?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take a common multiple.
42.
3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 7 and 7 1 1 1. So LCM will be 42. Preet, any doubt beta?
Sir,
Aditya?
13.
No, sir. Don't out.
13.
No, sir. No doubt.
Sir, I didn't
Sir, by
understand.
mistake I said. Sir, I by mistake I said.
किसको नहीं समझा विधि? किसे नहीं समझा वो?
Samiksha.
समीक्षा. बेटा आपको ये टेबल पता है? टेबल कैसे बनाया मैंने ये वाला?
Sir, LCM is equal to 19.
Just wait. समीक्षा,
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपके पास 3 नंबर्स है, 3, 9 एंड 21. क्या आपको आता है क्या उसका एलसीएम निकालना? पहले ये बताओ. Do you know how to take out the LCM? Samiksha, I'm waiting for your answer, beta. Okay. Am I audible, Aditya?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So सबसे पहले 9, 3 एंड 21 का एलसीएम कितना है मुझे बताओ पहले.
63.
कितना आया?
63.
63.
The 42.
Sir, 63.
Okay, just wait.
It will be 63.
63.
42.
Just wait up. या सो सॉरी, थोड़ा नेटवर्क इश्यूज आ गया था, एक मिनट. नाउ एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सॉरी, ठीक है. व्हाट इज दैट? एक मिनट में उसको रब करने दो पहले, फिर मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा इसे फिर से. अभी पूरी स्क्रीन ब्लैंक दिख रही है, मुझे बताना रीत, आदित्य.
नहीं सर, और बचा है.
अच्छा ओके, मे भी नेटवर्क है ना, इसलिए लेट दिख रहा. अभी दिख रहा है स्क्रीन क्लियर?
हाँ
Yes,
सर,
sir.
अभी clear है.
ओके, मेरे पास 3 नंबर है, 2 into 9, 2 into 3 एंड 8 into 21. सबसे पहला स्टेप लाइक फ्रैक्शन है कि अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, मुझे वो बताओ. सबसे पहले वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है.
Unlike fraction.
तो unlike fraction.
अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन है तो मुझे किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा?
Like fractions.
तो like fraction.
अगर मुझे अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस कन्वर्ट करना है लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में, तो व्हाट आई नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट फर्स्ट?
LCM.
तो
Sir, the
LCM.
LCM.
एलसीएम.
LCM में 63 है.
एलसीएम कितना आएगा? 63. या मैं गलत था, उस समय एलसीएम 63 आया. ओके, इफ द एलसीएम इज 63, ओके,
So we will do 9 into 7.
या जस्ट वेट बेटा, 9 into 7, तो यही नंबर सेम आपको ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो इट विल बी 2 into 7,
So 14.
14.
40.
टेल मी 63 में मैं ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं 3 से कि मिल जाए?
21.
Sir, 21.
Same apply at the top also. 2 into 21, it will be 40.
42.
42.
Sir, and 8 by 21 will be 3.
And
Three.
10 to 3.
It will be 24 by 63. क्या सभी के डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
अब जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गए, तो डिनोमिनेटर्स को हटा दो, नंबर्स को लिखो. 42 is greater than 24 is greater than 14. Clear?
So here we will
The answer is the
24 and
question.
14.
Yeah. So what I'll say, 42 by 63, 24 by 63 and 14 by 63. एक्चुअल में एग्जाम में फिर पूछेगा कि जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यू है वो कौन सी है. देखो 42 by 63 किसकी वैल्यू है? 2 by 3 की है. देखो है कि नहीं है?
Yes sir.
इट इज ग्रेटर देन 24 by 63. 24 by 63 की वैल्यू कौन सी है बताओ जल्दी.
The 2 by 3 is greater than 8
Sir.
by 21. 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 9.
So 8 by 21 and 2 by.
कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
No sir.
No, sir.
नाउ यू विल टेल मी, आई विल सॉल्व इट. रीत, यू विल नॉट आंसर बेटा. अभी आप आंसर नहीं करोगे, आप बहुत आंसर देते हो. बाकी बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं कि सर अब हम लोग कब आएंगे.
Sir, पहले में तो मुझे आंसर ही नहीं देने दे रहे.
अच्छा ओके वेट, मैं जब बोलूंगा तब, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. 1 by 5, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. Tell me. Like fraction, unlike fraction is step number 1.
Unlike fraction.
Like fraction.
किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है?
Unlike fraction. Like fraction.
Like fraction.
Sir, like fraction.
एलसीएम कितना है उसका?
Like
एलसीएम
fraction.
डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम
30. 70.
7
Sir, 70.
या एलसीएम
70.
70. अब सभी के डिनोमिनेटर्स में 70 पुट करो. सेकेंड स्टेप. नाउ गो वन बाय वन। ऐसा मैं क्या पुट करूं यहाँ पे कि 70 आ जाए 5 के बाजू में?
14.
14.
14.
सेम नंबर
14.
यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई। ओके,
Sir, 14 by 70.
या 14 by 70. सेकेंड स्टेप, टेल मी।
10. 10.
Sir, 7 into 10.
10.
Sir, 30.
Sir, 30 by 70.
30 by 70.
नेक्स्ट,
And last 7.
Sir, 10.
7.
7.
7.
Sir, 7.
49 by 70.
7. Sir, 7.
Sir, then 7. 43 by
49 by 7.
सबसे बड़ा नंबर
49.
सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है?
49 by 70.
the 49
49 by 70. 7 by 10.
Then 30 by 70. Then
7 by
10.
14 by 70.
And then 14 by 70.
टेल मी द एक्चुअल वैल्यूज ऑफ देम. व्हाट इज 49 by 70?
First 7 by 10, then
7 by
3 by
10,
7, then 1
3
by
by
5.
7, then 1
Then
by
3
5.
by 7. Then 1 by 5.
Is it clear how to take it out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Read out the next question.
सर आप ये पीडीएफ बना के दोगे?
हाँ बेटा, I am uploading it daily on the end tab. I'll prepare a group today and I'll share it there. Tell me about the magic square.
so may I?
Mhm.
Sir, the first row.
Yeah, first row.
Sir, can I tell it?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, the first row's answer will be 15 by 11.
15 by?
Sir,
11.
there is the answer only. So it's telling.
Second row.
Can I tell
Sir, second row.
These
Sir,
are-
second row is
one is
seven.
15
Sir,
by
second one
11.
is 15 by 11. 15 by 11.
Again, it's
Third row.
15 by 11.
14 by
11.
11.
15.
Is this the magic? See, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column along the diagonal is same. Yeah,
Sir,
it is same
tell
only.
the definition of
Like
Sir, all the
Yes,
columns
sir.
can,
All the columns are
magic
same.
square. And diagonals also are the
The
same.
answer is
So it
yes.
is the magic square.
The answer is yes. Okay, first, see the rectangular sheet of paper. What do you mean by rectangular shape? First, you need to understand. This is rectangular. Okay, this is called length. This is called what? Length. And this is called what?
It's a breadth.
Breadth. पेरीमीटर मतलब क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पे भी अगर देखेंगे, यहाँ पे भी लेंथ है, ब्रेड्थ है. पेरीमीटर मींस ऑल एरिया. कितने बार लेंथ है यहाँ पे? बताओ मुझे कितने बार लेंथ?
Sir,
Both
दोनों
2
same है.
times. On breadth 2 times. The area surrounding length and breadth is called the perimeter.
Yeah. So what we'll write if someone asks you the perimeter? So remember, length plus breadth, length plus breadth. First length, then breadth, then length, फिर breadth. इसे हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं 2 times of length plus breadth. This is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. कोई doubt यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Read out the question in your brain only. Brain के बाहर ही निकलना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप लोग शोर शराबा करोगे. A rectangle sheet of paper is there, long. Yes, Siddhant.
Sir, I am not speaking anything.
Okay. Long means what happens? Long means मतलब long मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Length होता है. क्या होता है बेटा?
Length.
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 Width मतलब
Width.
Breadth.
Width.
Height.
breadth in terms of rectangle. यहाँ तक कोई doubt?
No.
Now, सबसे पहले now I'm coming to the question. Okay, just wait.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I answer this question?
Sir, please can I answer the question? Please.
Sir, please, can I?
Sir, sir.
Please, can I answer?
Sir, can I?
please.
Read.
Sir, can I
Read will
answer?
Read will answer. Just wait.
So may I?
First step.
Sir, why are you reading?
अच्छा, ओके. रीत ने बेटा उस समय रीत को बोला था ना कि रीत नहीं आंसर देगी. इसलिए
Sir Aditya, Sir Aditya, Sir Aditya.
Sir Siddhant.
Sir, please Naman. Sir, please
Sir
Naman.
Aditya.
Sir, please
Siddhant,
Naman.
Sir
Sir,
Aditya,
please Naman. Sir,
Sir
please Naman.
Aditya.
Sir, please
Sir
Naman.
Aditya,
Sir, please
please.
Naman.
Sir Aditya, please.
Sir, please Naman.
अच्छा, just wait. I'll tell the answer. No one, you need to observe. I'll tell you the answer. Okay, Ankush sir will answer it. Okay, Naman, is it clear? Reet is like
Sir,
कि
please
आशीर्वाद
कह
दे
रहा
रही
है
है.
आंसर.
Reet is like कि आशीर्वाद दे रही है. And Siddhant is like
Sir,
crying.
can, sir,
Okay,
please.
Sir, please कह रहा है.
हाथ पैर जोड़ता हूँ.
Please wait.
Sir, please.
Okay, wait. First step,
Please.
you need to identify
Sir,
first thing.
please.
Length. Just wait.
So the first step is to
Length and breadth.
Sir, only tell the answer, not the method, please.
No, wait. I'll tell you. I'll give you the questions tomorrow. Don't worry about that. फर्स्ट आपको देखना लेंथ और ब्रेथ कैसे दिया, आपको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में दिए कि सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में दिए, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले किस फॉर्म में दिए वो.
some mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
फर्स्ट राइट लाइक दिस. एक मिनट. हाँ, कुछ लोग तो अभी भी होप में, हाँ अंकुश सर बोलेंगे कुछ, हाँ परमिशन मिलेगी. They are raising their hands. Just wait.
Sir, the sum of this mixed fraction is
No.
25.
It is not had to be written in the state like this. I'm writing it. Length. First write given and then write length. What is the length given?
Sir,
12
sir,
1 by 2.
12 1 by 2.
12 1 by 2.
Convert
12 1 by 2.
12 1 by
Convert into fraction. Improper
Sir,
fraction.
25.
It will be 25 by 2. 25 by 2.
Convert bread.
by 2. 32 by 3. 32 by 3.
12 and a half
3.
centimeter. Sir, 12 and a half centimeter.
This is the first step. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second step. This was the first step. Any means अगर आपको ऐसा दिया है, अगर आप given लिख सकते हो तो ठीक है. Okay. Second step, what you need to do? You need to put the question. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Okay. What is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle?
2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
Sir, 2 plus
2
Okay,
into
what is the
length plus
length?
breadth. By length plus breadth.
What is the length? 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. Now,
Into
tell
2.
me, क्या वो like fraction से क्या unlike fraction है?
Sir, unlike fractions.
Sir, unlike fraction.
Unlike fractions में
Unlike fraction.
LCM निकालना पड़ता है.
Sir, we have to find the LCM.
Yeah.
Sir, LCM is 6. 6.
6. Now, I want the final answer. Chalo, let's go. Let's see who is Usain Bolt now here. Come on.
Yes, sir.
139 by 3. 139 equals to 46 1 by 3.
Yeah, very good.
Sir, they told before even solving.
yes, sir.
I have solved it, sir. I have solved it yesterday only.
So, but she didn't.
Okay, wait.
Sir, but
ये cheating कर रही है. Reed cheating कर रही है. Wait. Reed.
Sir, next
Sir,
time,
expel
whenever
Reed.
sir told
Sir,
them,
expel
I
Reed.
have kept it there.
expel Reed.
Okay,
No,
wait,
sir,
wait.
she's cheating.
Please.
No, sir, I'm not cheating.
Naman. Reed.
She,
Okay. Now, if the answer will be coming like this, 139 by 3. Okay. If you write 139 by 3, okay, still it is a correct answer, but you need to write the centimeter. And also you can write, when you can put it into the mixed fraction, it can become 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Any doubt till here?
no.
No?
No, sir.
The cheaters are most welcome for telling the answer.
Yes, sir, he was
Sir,
cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
Sir, she was. Sir, she
Okay.
was.
Reed, कल का नहीं. Just wait, Mira.
Sir, she is not a cheater.
Okay.
She
Reed,
scores very badly if said that.
no, joke. Take in a joking mood. Okay. Don't take it seriously. नहीं तो बस पता चला गुस्से में हो जाएगा कोई मुझसे. Reed, गुस्सा है?
No, sir.
Good. Be ready for the next question. I'm coming with a new question now. Now see, question number 5.
Sir, अगला वाला question मैंने solve नहीं किया है.
Wait. Good. यहाँ पे 2 figures है आपको. 2 figures दिख रहे हैं. कौन से figures दिख रहे हैं आपको?
Triangle.
The rectangle and triangle.
Rectangle and triangle.
Triangle and rectangle.
2 figures दिख रहे हैं आपको. Okay. I'll put it with the red pen now. I'm giving you a hint. Okay. First write given. Okay. Otherwise, you don't write the given. You write directly. See. First, take out the perimeter of triangle ABE. That is triangle, and perimeter of triangle ABE. You know what is mean it? What is meant by it? See, the sum of all sides. It will be like this: 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2. अगर अब मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में तो आपको किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction में. Okay, and then you need to solve it. Then you need to take out the LCM and then like that. Second, rectangle of BCD, that is 2 times of length plus breadth. ये मैंने पहले ही बताया. यहाँ पे लेंथ क्या है? ये लेंथ है इसकी, एंड ब्रेड्थ ये है. ओके, एंड बाद में दोनों का पेरीमीटर बताना है, किसका बड़ा है किसका छोटा है पेरीमीटर. यहां तक किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
शुड आई सॉल्व इट और शुड आई गिव यू होमवर्क? अच्छा चलो, मैंने 2
Sir, can I do it?
So homework. Sir, give
2
homework.
minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let's see who is the Usain Bolt and who is Milka Singh. Who solves it the more better way. All the best. All the best. लग जाओ जल्दी जल्दी.
Time starts now.
No, time was already started. देखना कल कोई सॉल्व करने वाला अभी आंसर ना दो. श्लोक, just do it beta, do it fast. Devika, I'm not getting any answers from you beta.
Can I tell the answer?
Who's that? Meera? Yeah, very good. Tell me. Waiting for the answer.
No, sir. No, sir.
Someone
No,
can
sir.
calculate
Sir,
that
we'll be
first.
giving.
Wait.
17 by 20 centimeter.
What you said?
Sir.
What you said?
Sir, 17 620.
No, tell me for the area of triangle. Tell me the area of triangle. Area of triangle AB, you tell me na. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle ABE कितना है मुझे बताओ.
177 by 20.
Yeah.
Sir, 177.
177 by 20.
हाँ,
Sir,
ये
1 integer 7 by 20.
Sir, we will convert it
One integer,
to
7 by
mixed
20.
fraction, so it will be
Wait.
817 by 820.
So the LCM is 20. So the
Siddhant,
LCM is
wait.
20.
सिद्धांत wait. Whenever I'm saying wait, then you need to wait. Okay. आपका सभी का आंसर्स गलत है. सबके आंसर्स गलत है. पूछो क्यों?
So why?
You did not said 177 20 by 20 centimeter. That's why.
Meter.
Tell me the rectangle. Tell me the perimeter of rectangle. Come on, boy. Come on, girl. Come on. Waiting for the opportunity.
Sir, done. Can I tell?
Yeah. What you said?
Sir, it is
Siddhant?
for 47 by 6 centimeter.
Sir, he was wrong. 47 by 6 centimeter.
Yeah, 47 by 6 centimeter. So whose perimeter?
Sir, I said centimeter.
इसका perimeter
No,
बड़ा
sir,
है.
he did not say. Sir,
Yeah,
he
The
did not say.
rectangle.
I did said. Sir, rectangle.
Rectangle.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
बेटा perimeter
Yes, sir.
कंपेयर करना है तो क्या करना पड़ता है पहले? अगर मुझे शो करना है, तो आपको 177 by 20 and 47 by 6 का LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस आते हैं ना, आप डायरेक्टली कैसे बता सकते हो आप? आपने आंसर गलत दिया. आई टोल्ड यू ना, अगर आपको निकालना है पहले कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ सिंपल नंबर, सेम नंबर. Come on. Dhaval, I just want for answer from you. Devika? Tawheed? Devika? Bhavik? Akshara? Ipsa? Anjali? Saad? Kashvi, Shlok, okay, Devika. Shlok, what happened?
Then we have to find that answer whose perimeter is bigger.
Yeah, whose perimeter is greater?
Sir, triangle.
Yeah, who said it?
Meera.
Very good, beta, Mira. Good, beta. Mira won the race. Very good, beta. See, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll create a group today. It was a great competition among all of you. Some were cheaters, some were not prepared. And be prepared for the tomorrow.
Sir, please don't call me cheater indirectly.
No, sir. Reed is cheater.
Actually, Aditya Ambulkar is a cheater.
No, sir.
Yes,
I am
Aditya is a cheater.
Yeah, okay, no issues, no issues. Good, great competition. It was a healthy competition. Be ready for tomorrow. We'll have a
Sir,
lot of
this competition must be every day.
yeah, Devika,
today-
very good, beta.
I'll keep all
So
the
there
answers.
will be big winners.
Today's competition was
Sir,
won by
tomorrow.
Meera, Shisagar, Preet, and Siddhant. Let's wait and see for tomorrow who will be the winner. Who will be the Karodpati tomorrow? Bye bye. Thank you.
सर आप कितने रुपए दोगे?
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Beta,
Sir, 7 crore, 20 crore.
50 crores. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, it's too low.
तू बेटा 1 रुपए दे दूंगा चलो अभी और उससे ज्यादा नहीं दे सकता. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
And don't take in a joking mode. Don't take it seriously if I'm saying to anyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.